Come on a quick journey with me to cook this awesome pasta dish in one pot. That's it, one pot. Not lots of washing up, nothing, just one pot. You might have to wash up a knife and a chopping board. But I promise you, it's awesome. Right, so I'm going to show you the simple version of this dish. You can add, we did it yesterday and we had some leftover chicken, so we chucked some chicken in it. You can chuck whatever you want in it, it's delicious. So you're going to need 200 grams of bought pasta, convenience, a chilli, as you've already seen, where I find my chilies. Where's my chilli gone? There's my chilli. Also you're going to need some basil. You can use oregano, you can use thyme, you can just play with it. I want you guys to play with it and show me what you have achieved with it, because I promise you it's delicious. You're going to need cherry tomatoes or different coloured vine small tomatoes, garlic, use garlic, lots of garlic, spinach, lots of spinach, it's good for you as well. What else are we going to need for this amazing dish? One onion, white or red, up to you. I know you're going to be annoyed at me for saying this, but I've got to share it with you because we think it's quite funny. What do you call a man with Smarties in his trouser pocket? Smarty pants. Oh. Right. Pot. Yes, it is. Pasta. So you get your pasta. It doesn't fit. Break it in half. That's it. So what you're going to want to do is, you can see these tomatoes are all different sizes. You want them the same size. This dish will take 10 minutes to cook. So you want your tomatoes to break down quickly. You want your onion to break down quickly and your garlic to break down quickly. These small cherry tomatoes, you can just cut in half. The big ones, I'd probably a quarter. Different colours. It's more aesthetically pleasing, it looks nicer. Done. So 3 cloves of garlic, give it a crush, a little bit, helps it peel. I know I'm editing the video so you wouldn't really know, but I forgot the cheese, so I need to go shopping. Starts first time. So we've got the Parmesan. You can use pecorino, you can use blue cheese, you can do whatever you want. But I'm going to show you this way because it's cool. Alright, garlic's done. Onion, just cut it in half, peel it. As I said, once you've peeled it, slice it as thinly as you can, because we're going to cook it in 10 minutes with all the rest of the stuff. So if you like it really crunchy, cut it thicker. If you like it non-crunchy, make sure your knife skills are good. Right, chilies. Chopping them. When you chop a chili, wash your hands, because if you don't and you scratch your eyes, or it's probably not best, but working in a kitchen I was chopping chilies for hours And let's just say after going to the toilet, so you can leave the seeds in if you like, if you want it really spicy. I'm going to take some of them out because my wife, she likes food a lot, but not too spicy. So if it was just me, I should be leaving them in. But for wifey, I take the seeds out. Cut it how you want, really. I'm just going to slice it up. So the basil, half a bunch, a small bunch. I've got a small bunch of basil, so half of it. Stalks and all, because there's lots of flavour in the stalks. Just finely slice it. Stalks and all. Stalks and all. I think we're ready, man. This is how simple it is. So your pasta's in the pan. Garlic. Onion. Tomatoes. Chilli. Basil. How cool is that? That smells so good already. Then all you need to do is just add your stock or water. I'm putting water in, but I'm going to add some stock. And that is ready to cook. So I'm just crumpling in a stock cube. So turn your heat on. Bring it up to temperature. I normally just add a bit of olive oil because I like it. Tomatoes absorb oil well, so you don't have to worry about putting too much in. Just got a black pepper. A little bit of salt. I'm not going to need too much salt because of the cheese, which is quite salty. So as it's starting to come up to boil, just got to keep it moving. All those flavours. Now it's just started cooking, and I'm just going to chuck in some spinach. As you can hear it bubbling away in the background, I just thought I'd say as this dish reduces and the liquid evaporates, you're left with this rich, silky sauce which coats all the pasta and the tomatoes and the herbs and everything else, and it's just delicious. And as we're going to add some cheese just at the end, it just gives it that richness. It's just so nice. Try this, man, you'll love it. "10 minutes, one pot."